Hello friends, this is Veena once again with another new video. How to look beautiful naturally without makeup. Frankly speaking, it's all about your insights and how well you look after yourself. Yes, you need to be mindful of essential aspects of your diet, your habits, your lifestyle, and your skincare routine. If you have even one of these elements messed up, the effects will inevitably reflect on your health and your overall appearance. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video and look some of the tips. You are what you eat. A nutritious diet is a foolproof way to achieving healthy skin. A wholesome diet does the job on its own to keep you radiant and healthy from within by giving your body all that it requires. Make sure you add fruits and vegetables to your daily intake. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like flax seeds, walnuts, and vitamin-enriched foods like oranges, sweet potatoes, and pumpkin are a must. Also include foods that are high in protein like eggs, chicken, kidney beans, lentils, chickpeas, and cottage cheese. Every system and function in your body relies on water. Drinking a minimum of 8 or more glasses of water helps flush out toxins from your body. Hence, your skin looks plumpier and livelier. It also helps keep wrinkles at bay. So carry a bottle of water with you wherever you go and keep yourself hydrated throughout the day. A good night's sleep goes hand in hand with how you look and feel. It's crucial because your body repairs itself while you sleep. 6 to 8 hours of quality sleep is vital for you to wake up feeling and looking great. By doing this, you will have a glowing complexion, less of those dreaded dark circles under your eyes, and you'll slow down your aging process. The skin produces new collagen when you sleep. So don't let anything in the world come in the way of you and your beauty sleep. Next tip is working out for a healthy skin. Physical activity is so essential both for your physical as well as mental health. A minimum of 3 hours of physical activity per week will result in improving your health. It improves your blood circulation, helps get rid of toxins, increases the amount of oxygen delivered to your skin, provides a boost of endorphins that reduce stress and calm your entire body including your skin. Next important tip is bust the stress. In today's modern lifestyle, we all have crazy schedules and stress comes naturally. However, uncontrolled stress can lead to problems like headaches and hypertension. It can also lead to acne, hair fall, and graying of hair. So don't forget to take some time for meditation. Meditate, drink a nice hot cup of tea, listen to music, or make some time for anything you love. Do take a chill pill now and then. Green tea perhaps the healthiest beverage out there and is enriched with nutrients and antioxidants that are incredibly beneficial to the body. It contains catechins that are a form of antioxidants that prevent cell damage. It improves blood circulation, lowers cholesterol and blood pressure, and improves the health of your skin. The ingredient EGCG that is present in this tea also helps in weight loss by reducing fat absorption. So, make it a habit to brew yourself some green tea. Next important tip is pamper your stresses. Naturally, glossy hair only adds to your beauty. It's crucial to take good care of your locks by providing nourishment to your hair. You can do this by oiling your hair with coconut oil, olive oil or almond oil at least once a week. Hair spa treatments are also crucial because oiling alone does not provide enough nourishment. Use hair products that are free from sulfates and other harmful chemicals. Avoid using heat on your hair. A good facial massage every other day can reduce the appearance of fine lines, tighten your skin, and make it appear more radiant. Besides, it also makes you feel relieved from stress and feel rejuvenated. Following a consistent morning and night routine, you can see a drastic improvement in your skin appearance. Also, do not under any circumstances go to bed without removing makeup. You will only invite a whole bunch of problems for your skin. Use a hand cream or a body lotion for your hands and legs. Stick to a consistent skincare routine that is cleansing, toning, and moisturizing that are imperative for healthy skin. Make exfoliation a vital part of your skincare regime. It indeed is a key to radiant skin. Your skin is always shedding dead cells from the surface, which helps in renewing itself with fresh and healthy cells. Opt for gentle scrubs or create your own natural scrubs at home using ingredients like gram flour or a coffee scrub. Keep exfoliation to a maximum of twice a week. You will see visible improvement in the health of your skin. It will look fresher and smoother. Apply sunscreen regularly. The sun's UV rays are the primary cause of premature aging of the skin. If you follow this one simple step of applying the sunscreen, you will thank yourself in the future. It helps prevent dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Therefore, make sunscreen a mandatory. Dermatologists recommend that you wear a minimum of an SPF 30 before stepping out. What you wear affects how you present yourself. Ensure all the clothes you choose fit you perfectly. Stock your wardrobe with clothes that complement you and look flattering on your figure. Wearing clothes that are too tight or baggy can be uncomfortable and can add bulkiness to your shape. well-fitted clothes makes you feel confident. Last but not the least, take care of your smile. Your pearly whites need maintenance. Visit the dentist every 6 months or so. Follow regular routines like brushing your teeth at least twice a day with a good fluoride toothpaste. Floss every day, use mouthwash, and keep your smile looking healthy and clean. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. That's all for now, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.